Welcome to a quick, soothing and effective 5-minute Yoga Nidra or NSDR designed to help release anxiety. Hi, my name is Leanne and this short practice focuses on calming the nervous system, grounding the body and letting go of worries and stress. Begin by lying down in a comfortable position and allow your body to settle with your legs extended, your feet falling apart naturally, and your arms resting at your sides, palms facing up. Gently close your eyes and let yourself feel supported by the surface beneath you. Take a moment to set an intention or sankalpa for this practice. Perhaps something like, I am calm and at peace, or I release anxiety with each breath. Repeat this intention silently to yourself, planting it like a seed in your mind. So now, bring awareness to your breath. Feel the natural rhythm of your breathing. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your abdomen. There's nothing you need to change, nothing you need to do. Just let your breath be as it is, soft and relaxed. And with each exhale, let go of tension and allow yourself to sink deeper and deeper into calmness. So now we'll move through a gentle body scan. And as I mention, each part of your body, allow it to relax completely. Really let go of any tension and soften each area as you focus on it. So let's start with the head and the face and bring your awareness to the crown of your head. Really allow your scalp to soften and relax, and soften your forehead, your eyebrows, your eyes, and even the tiny muscles around your eyes and your mouth and your jaw. Next, move your focus down to your neck and release any tightness there. Really let go. Let your shoulders drop, feeling them become heavy and relaxed. Let your awareness flow down to your arms, from the upper arms to your elbows, your forearms, your wrists, and finally to your hands and fingers. Let them feel warm, heavy, and deeply relaxed. Now, focus on your chest, feeling each breath rise and fall gently. Allow your heart space to feel open, calm, and at ease. Move your awareness now to your abdomen and allow it to soften with each breath, releasing any tension or holding. Finally, bring your awareness down to your legs, from your thighs down to your knees, your calves, your ankles, and your toes. Allow each muscle to soften and feel completely at ease. Now imagine a peaceful, safe place, perhaps a beach, a forest, or a quiet room filled with soft light. Picture yourself in this place, surrounded by a sense of calm and comfort. With each breath, imagine that you're inhaling this calmness, filling your entire being with a sense of peace. With each exhale, feel any remaining anxiety or worry leaving your body, just dissolving into the air around you. We'll now count down from 5 to 1, letting each count bring you deeper into a state of calm relaxation. Inhale, exhale, 5. Inhale, exhale, 4. Inhale, exhale, 3. Inhale, exhale, 2. Inhale, exhale, 1. As you reach 1, allow yourself to feel deeply calm, grounded, and free from any worry. So take a moment to return to your intention, silently repeating it to yourself once more. Feel a sense of gratitude for this time of peace you've given yourself. And when you're ready, begin to bring awareness back to your body by gently wiggling your fingers and toes. Take a few deeper breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth, and in your own time, open your eyes, bringing with you a sense of calm and lightness. I hope you enjoyed that quick 5 minutes NSDR for relieving anxiety, and know that you can return to this feeling of peace anytime you need it, carrying this calmness with you throughout your day. Please feel free to hit like and subscribe, and check out our other video recordings, solution-focused NSDRs, guided meditations, and more. Have a great, calming, peaceful